Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am debuting my new haircut and color. Honestly, I really love it. I really just needed a change. Like sometimes you're just like, wow, I am tired of looking the same 24/7. So I'm actually really loving the blonde. I think it came out amazing. But today we're not talking about my hair. Today we are talking about Aurelie G. Anyways, Aurelie G reached out to me and they wanted to see if I wanted to review their 14 karat pieces. And you guys know that I absolutely love gold everything. I think that gold pieces just really bring the outfit together. I actually really like silver as well, but I predominantly like gold. I think it looks better on my skin tone. So I was just more than excited. I was like, sure, of course you can send me really nice 14 karat pieces for me to review. So I've been testing out their do-it-your-own collection for the past 2 weeks, and I have to say, I really love it. This is the piece that I chose. It's the dog tag with the little, I believe it's called Aquamarine charm. I also got the lightning bolt, but today I paired the dog tag with the Aquamarine charm, and I think it's just so perfect. I love the way it completes my stack. If you can see, these are my existing Majori pieces. And then this just kind of brings it all together, and I think it's perfect for those really low-cut tops. Let's talk about the quality. I wore this piece 24/7 for the past 2 weeks, and it's amazing. I mean, it's literally kind of like Majori, but cheaper almost, or very comparable. And I like that when you buy things from their website, they have an option for them to donate up to 1% of the value of your purchase. So if you buy like $200 worth of something, they'll donate like $2 toward charity of your cause. So I thought that was really cool. They're also based in the US. They are a Texas-based company, I believe. So yeah, I really like it. I filmed an unboxing for you guys. Here goes. Just be warned though, because I'm not very good at unboxings. I think this was my first unboxing I've ever filmed, because usually when I get something that I'm really excited about, I just rip it open. Like, I'm just so ready for action. I need to see it now. So let me know. My unboxings could use improvement, so stay tuned. It is the middle of the workday. It's literally 4 o'clock, Thursday, September 24th. I'm so tired. I've been working very hard today. Pat myself on the back. It's the end of the fiscal year for us, so I've been just getting a bunch of reports ready, trying to figure out how we did for the year, so that's what I do for a living. But anyways, I have a very exciting video today. This company wanted to partner with me and wanted me to try out their 14 karat jewelry, and you guys know that I love 14 karat jewelry, and I figured, alright, let's give it a try. We'll see how it goes, and I wanted to unbox it for you guys on camera. I just got my package from FedEx. Please excuse all the birds in the background. I just didn't want to be in my office anymore. I've been in there since like 9 a.m. So I'm ready to change up the environment for a little bit. This is how it arrived. So they gave me a gift card to choose some items from their do-it-your-own collection. The brand is Aurelie G. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but it's Aurelie G. And this is how it arrived. Super cute. Ooh. I really like the little packet it arrived. It differs than the Majori one. I actually like it better than the Majori one. I'm gonna find the Majori one that I have and show you guys, but it's like a little pouch. So that's kind of nice touch. And then, let's see. So I picked out the 14 karat 18-inch chain. It's actually really nice, and so I think that the gold matches my existing pieces exactly. So I picked out the chain, and then I also picked out these charms. I picked out 3. So I wanted to give you guys a close-up of what the pieces look like. So I got the dog tag, I got the ZIGGY charm, I believe, the ZIGGY lightning bolt charm, and then I also got the Aquamarine charm. So I'm going to layer these 2 pieces together, but I think it looks really nice. And right off the bat, I like that their bags are better than the Majori one. I always hate these little bags. I feel like I can never see what's inside. It's like a hole of doom. Versus this one, you can open it up. There's a flap. You can easily see what's inside because the fabric is not black. You can take a peek inside, and I prefer that. I think quality in this one is a little bit nicer than this one, honestly. And you guys know that I love Majori, so I'm actually really excited to give these pieces a go and try them out for the next 2 weeks. I'll let you guys know how it goes. What do you guys think? I moved to get some good old natural light. I think it looks really nice with my stack. I think it would look really great with like a one shoulder top or like a really strappy top, no top, tube top. I'm gonna give this a go. I'm gonna wear this for the next 2 weeks, day and night. I'm gonna shower with it. I'm not gonna take it off like I do with this chain. And I will give you guys my full review, my full thoughts. If you end up seeing this video, that means I like the brand and I would definitely purchase from them again. I recommend it. If I send it back, then you will never know. This video will never exist. Okay, so my final thoughts. I really love the brand. I love the company. I'm already adding pieces in my cart as we speak. I saw some really nice Huggies with amethyst because that's my birthstone. I was like, wow, do I deserve these? Yes, I deserve everything because I survived a pandemic, and so do you guys. So, final thoughts, I really love the way it performed. It's literally the exact same gold as my majority stack, so it just blends perfectly. It's seamless. I love the box it came in. I think it was really cute. And I also really actually preferred the pouch it came with as opposed to like other pouches I received from other jewelry stores. So I enjoyed it. I definitely foresee myself buying more stuff from them, and they were actually so kind to give me a discount code to give to you guys. My discount code is Melissa15. You guys probably know me by Mel, but a lot of people call me Melissa. It's my real name. So Melissa15 if you're interested in picking up any pieces from Aurelie G, which I highly recommend. They're really, really cute. Actually, if you're interested, maybe you can send me the links on the wish list that I just went live. So if you're not entirely aware, I'm doing a wish list on my channel, and just send me what you want. I will grant one person their list. I am Santa Claus now. I actually tried photoshopping my face onto Santa Claus, but it just was not working. So anyways, let me know if you guys have any questions about my experience with Aurelie G or my experience with other jewelry. I'm actually going to do another jewelry haul in the coming weeks. I bought a bunch of stuff from George the Jeweler, Majuri, 14 Carats in Beverly Hills. I got like some custom pieces made with my name. Like, I'm so bored in quarantine, I wanted to get name tags with my name in case I forget, in case I get amnesia. But honestly, they're really cute. And I'm also getting a few more things from Aurelie G because I really just loved the quality. It was there, shipping was fast, and I'm quite pleased. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you guys here next time. Bye.